Hey guys, what's up? It is me, Bella, from KiddieCrackUp. Sorry, it's so sunny. I'm sorry. We're at the mall. It's an outside mall. So it's outside. Sorry, guys. Sorry if you can't see me here. Does that help? Yeah, that probably helps. So there's a mannequin here. He looks super cool. This is like. This is a really good. Okay. I'm just gonna do this for now. Oh.
Stay away from the fountain with your phone, okay?
Okay. Have a sip of my juice.
All right. Come on.
Come on, Dome.
Come on, Dome.
Blue raspberry is so good. Yum. This guy's laying down. Hey, I get you. I like to lay down. He likes to lay down. He's a layer. Yeah.
You know what? We already walked on this. Let's go over here.
Okay. So what we're going to do next? If you guys are in Georgia and you're
walking around waiting for
an
Mama,
outside
really.
mall, come visit me because I'm at the outside mall in Georgia.
I know.
So come visit me.
Times, but she hasn't gotten back to me.
Guys, come visit me. If you're in Georgia, right, and you're at an outside mall, come visit me. Because I'm in Georgia, outside mall, super hot out. And yeah. What you have to say for yourself?
Have to what?
What do you have to say for yourself?
What's up?
Okay, that's good.
KiddieCrackUp land.
Sorry guys, that's so dark here. Does that help, Daddy?
What's that?
You think that helps?
I guess so. You want to say goodbye? Want to say goodbye?
Bye, love you. Love you, kitties.